Throughout human history, civilizations have risen and fallen, leaving behind enigmatic traces of their existence. Among these are hints of sophisticated technologies that defy our understanding and seem astonishingly advanced for their time. Today, we'll delve into the world of hidden technologies from lost civilizations, exploring some of the most intriguing examples that continue to captivate historians, archaeologists, and scientists alike. To begin, let's travel back to ancient Egypt and the construction of the Great Pyramids. The very existence of these monumental structures raises questions about the technological prowess of their builders. While the pyramids have long been a testament to human ingenuity, the methods used to transport and erect the massive stones, some weighing over 80 tons, perplex modern scholars. There is evidence to suggest that the Egyptians might have employed a form of water transport to move these colossal stones, utilizing the Nile River in ways we have yet to fully comprehend. This might have involved advanced understanding of hydraulics, a technology we scarcely credit to civilizations of that epoch. Moving east, we find ourselves in the bustling cities of the Indus Valley Civilization, a society that thrived around 4,500 years ago. The remnants of this ancient civilization suggest they were remarkably advanced, particularly in the field of urban planning and sanitation. Their cities boasted sophisticated drainage systems, with terracotta pipes and precisely laid out road grids, reflecting a deep understanding of civil engineering principles. Such advancements weren't replicated until thousands of years later in other parts of the world. Despite their apparent technological prowess, much about the Indus Valley remains shrouded in mystery, including their undecipherable script, which possibly holds the key to understanding the full extent of their technological achievements. Meanwhile, the dense jungles of Central America conceal the legacy of the enigmatic Maya civilization. A stunning realization in recent years has been their knowledge of astronomy. The Mayans constructed observatories and developed highly accurate calendars, predicting celestial events with a precision that astonishes modern scientists. Their intricate calendar system, based on a sophisticated understanding of both solar and lunar cycles, raises intriguing questions about their methods and instruments. Did they possess complex tools for astronomical measurements? Or was their expertise a testament to centuries of meticulous observation and recording? In yet another corner of the world, the advanced metallurgy and stonework of the Inca Empire continue to amaze. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains, their architectural wonders such as Machu Picchu showcase precision and durability that modern construction still seeks to emulate. The Incas are thought to have developed unique techniques to work with stone, using a combination of master craftsmanship and innovative tools to shape and fit stones so precisely that even a knife blade cannot be slipped between them. Furthermore, their knowledge of metal alloys resulted in the creation of weapons and tools that exhibited exceptional strength, an understanding of metallurgy that some suggest was far ahead of its time. One of the most mysterious artifacts discovered in recent years is the Antikythera Mechanism, often likened to an ancient Greek analog computer. Found in a shipwreck dating back over 2,000 years, this intricate device comprised of gears and dials was capable of predicting astronomical events and eclipses. Its complexity suggests a level of technological advancement that was not believed to exist until much later in human history, implying the Greeks may have possessed far more advanced engineering prowess than previously thought. The Antikythera Mechanism stands as a tantalizing glimpse into the ingenuity of ancient technology, urging us to reconsider what we know about the capabilities of past civilizations. As we reflect on these hidden technologies of lost civilizations, it becomes increasingly evident that our ancestors might have been far more advanced than our current understanding credits them. These discoveries challenge our perceptions of human progress and serve as humbling reminders that history is vast, with knowledge often lost to the sands of time. What other ancient technologies remain undiscovered, waiting to reveal their secrets to those who dare to seek them out? In conclusion, our journey through time unveils the marvels of ancient technologies that continue to puzzle and inspire. Whether it's the precise engineering of the Egyptians, the urban sophistication of the Indus Valley, the astronomical prowess of the Mayans, or the metallurgical achievements of the Incas, these lost technologies offer a glimpse into the boundless ingenuity of the human spirit. As we continue to explore and unearth the secrets of our past, may we carry forward the lessons and wonders of these ancient cultures, sparking curiosity and innovation in our endless quest for knowledge.